Good morning, all. Today is 26th May. Time is around 9:34 now. It's been actually a long gap. Last week, I was not available. I was actually out of station, and just came back yesterday. Actually, came back on Sunday, and yesterday I did uh, some trading, but I was not able to record it. Yesterday was actually a loss day. So let's see how it's going to be today. It seems to be a gap down day. Let's see, looks like price is currently below the VWAP. If you look at it, right, the sellers are trying to put some sort of a pressure. Let's see. I'll update if I see some sort of setup coming on the way. Maybe it's around 10:22 now. Price has now come up easily above the VWAP. If you look at it, right, there was some sort of an absorption happening from the sellers. They did try pushing it down. Now, currently, I think it might try to break out of the VWAP's first band deviation and might do a new day high. And if the buyers are keep pushing the same way how they did it, right, we might get it. So I'm just trying to, see if we can figure out a long entry. I'm looking at next week expiry. Today is an expiry, so I don't trade current week's expiry option. So I'm looking at 24,000 call from June 2nd expiry. The last option candle close was good. It's a good full bodied, almost a full bodied green candle. I'm just waiting for a close above the VWAP's first band deviation. A strong attempt at least, so that we can attempt. Looks good to me. Another's let it. Okay, just now just trying. Okay. Hmm. Okay, I mean my first leg is in. Okay, I've added the second leg also. Today I've reduced the risk size to what 7,500. Let's see how it goes because it's almost like a week gap. Yesterday, I went with the full size, but both the trades actually hit the SL yesterday. So, to get back in touch, probably, I'll just start with a smaller risk and then and then we'll see. Okay, the setup looks good actually. The future candle, they recently the buyers have made some good aggression. There's some 128 lots of aggressive buy has happened actually. Let's see, it's currently around the entry price. It's hovering around the same price actually. Let's see. Yeah, it feels like you have to get back in touch after you take a long break. Suddenly yesterday it was kind of like I was trying to kind of doing it. I actually tried the scalping yesterday from my tab, so I couldn't record it properly. Yeah, so yeah, yesterday I shouldn't have done, but yeah, some urge was there. So today I thought I'll come back to my desk and then probably I'll start just the way how we did earlier. Yeah, it's still around there, but there's a little. But yeah, the setup looks good only. Still, there is nothing much coming from the sellers. Just when I said it, yeah, some sellers are appearing now. Let's see if the buyers are able to overpower them. Hmm. The structure also looks like bullish, at least for the time being. Because if you see, right, it break out of the VWAP, came back and tried taking a retest on it, and now they're trying to push high, which is kind of classic setup. If they wanted to trap someone, they initially they'll make a move on one side and then they will actually try to fill in their orders and then they head towards where actually they wanted to go. Yeah, some buying attempt has happened, 62 lots, pretty decent amount, but the volumes, I think, it's slightly drying out. Last 3 5-minute candles, if you look at, right, that's 703. Then the next one is 624, and this current one is at actually 234. So the volume is slightly drying up. Usually that happens, right, when when the moves are accompanied by the proper volume support, we get some sort of a confidence because backed up by proper actual big guys basically. Okay, now it's trying to come down and test the EMA. Is it gonna close below the EMA? It is closing, that is not good. Around 3,000. If you're losing in this trade, we might be losing something around 7.5K. And if you're getting, we should be getting something around 15K because I've adjusted the risk slightly. Maybe I'll see for this week and then I'll get back to my normal size. That's what I think. Yeah, the option is showing some sort of weakness. It's an expiry day today, so we can see all those sort of funny things happening, premium decay and stuff like that. But I have taken the next week expiries option. The reason why I took is only because of that. The extra amount which we're gonna lose out right due to the decay. To some extent, we might be able to save it if you trade the next week options. It will be slightly expensive, but still it's okay. Because I keep around that candle law as my stop loss. It's a very tight stop loss I keep. Yeah, now it has closed below the EMA. It's struggling actually. Did try it, but there isn't much sellers in futures, but option, yeah, stop loss is gone. Yeah, what 7,520. That's what we lost. I'll just cancel this order. Okay, so 7,520. Again, so it's a losing streak now. Yesterday, two trades gone, and then this one, the first trade of today also gone. Okay, that's fine. I'll take it anyway. I'll log it and then come back. I'll make a quick journal and then come back. Okay. It's 10:32. Looks like my setup is still valid. It has taken the stop loss though, but now I'm looking for another entry on it because it's trying to take the support of the VWAP's first band deviation. And there isn't much of a selling pressure as of now if we look at the future candle. So I'll wait. Let's see if this price is going above the wick in the option candle. It's around the same level, but this time the risk will be tighter. I'll just keep it below this. Okay, now it is just going up. All right, I'll first leg is in. Add another 780 quantity, 715. Okay, let it come. Okay, I mean full size is in now. So the risk is just below this option candle. I'll keep my ESL. Let me check that. 250, 2.45. Think, yeah, it's exactly at 45. That's fine. All right, I've set the stop loss. Okay, now this is a push coming. Let's see if it in futures it makes a new day high. If it can make it, it will give us the target. Looks like the setup is something like that. Let's wait now. Okay. The last trade was around 7,500 loss. Now it's covering it, kind of break even now. It's a good candle close. Now the volumes in futures are slightly now picking it up actually. So that is also a good sign. Okay, it's now trying. Okay, 600 plus. So the current trade would be around what 8,000 rupees in profit now. Okay, it's a good push. Okay, 3,000. Okay, 54. Come on, man. There's no sellers there. Oh, okay, good. That's good. That was a very quick scalp, actually. So, okay, I think we got it 6,600 net, which means, yeah, um, around 14.5K they would have got in this trade. It's a good one, actually. Yeah, I told, right? This made a new day high in the futures as well. It's actually a good one. So 6.6 is what I'm stopping it for the day. It's just two trades for the day, so it's fine. All right then. It's an expiry day anyway, so there's no point you messing it up around. I'll just lock in this profit. I'll take it home. Okay. So yeah, as I told, it was taking support of the VWAP's first band deviation, and I was just looking it to make a new day high. So it did, and fortunately, it gave us the target. The first setup, unfortunately, I took the stop loss, but yeah, in the second setup, it gave the right entry and it went to the TP. Anyway, yeah, that's fine. So see you all tomorrow, and till then, stay calm and trade safely. All right. So how much it was? 6.6K. Yeah. All right then. Bye bye.